My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and creditors' rights in Maryland, Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Virginia. And today I want to answer the question, my assets exceed my exemptions allowed. What happens? Sometimes when you file bankruptcy, all of your equity in your assets is not as high as the exemptions you're allowed to take under state law. But frequently, debtors are what we call over-exempt. For example, in Maryland, you're allowed to keep about $12,000 of assets, not including your IRA and your home. Oh, what happens if your cash and your tax refund and your furniture and your car is worth more than $12,000? In that case, you're going to have to pay something to your trustee in bankruptcy. Now, it might be that the dollar amount is so high that you really are forced to file a Chapter 13 case and buy back that equity from your creditors over some period of time, usually around 60 months. But sometimes it's really worth staying in Chapter 7. And even if you're a few thousand or even $10,000 or $20,000 over your exemptions, it's worth borrowing money or getting some other asset to pay the trustee to abandon those assets so that you can keep them, you can get your discharge, and you can get on with your life and discharge what could be tens, dozens, or hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of debt. So you shouldn't freak out if your assets exceed your exemptions. With a little bit of planning and some clear-headed analysis, you'll be able to make the right decisions. My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and creditors' rights. And if you have a question about your assets exceeding your exemptions, please pick up the phone and call me. I'd love to hear from you.